At Ctube, our dedication to excellence drives us to constantly push the boundaries of Conduit solution. Today, we're excited to introduce the clever designs of our AS/NZS 2053 standard adaptable box. The first point is the stainless steel screws of the lid. While many manufacturers may opt for galvanizing process for their screws, the stainless steel material of our products makes them durable and corrosion resistant. The second point is the long screws, which eliminate the risk of instability. Even when the lid is split open, the screws will not fall, saving time and trouble for the engineer to pick up the fallen screws. The third point is the soft PVC waterproofing. Waterproofing is a critical consideration in any electrical installation. While rubber is a common choice for waterproofing, we have taken it a step further with soft PVC material. Not only does it enhance waterproofing, but it also boasts the superior flame retardant properties. Inside the box, we will find uniformly distributed internal columns that conveniently assist engineers and save time during installation, ensuring waterproof performance without sacrificing efficiency. The last feature is the innovative back groove design. This distinctive feature enables seamless adhesion to vertical or horizontal surface using groove. Whether mounting the box on a wall or another surface, the back groove ensures a snap fit. That's all we shared today. Visit our website to learn more.